Hi, I'm Julie from the Ada Victory branch, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about a very special type of picture book that we've been adding to our collection lately. I think there are about 168 in the entire catalog, spread among all the libraries in the area. We're adding more all the time. There are these Vox Books. There is a Vox audio playback device attached permanently inside the front cover. There's a little on-off switch, a headphone jack, and you don't need to use headphones with this because there's a speaker right here. So when you press play, you'll hear the story read to you and your child, and you can listen as you read along. And this is a great thing to take on the road, to a park, anywhere where you maybe don't have a CD player to listen to an audiobook, a traditional type of audiobook. So it's a really great little device, and it has this rechargeable battery in it. And this one here is called Garber, the Harbor Barber. And I think it's worth checking out for the title alone. It's a very cute story, a lot of hair in this story, and it has a great rhyme and rhythm. So I think you're gonna enjoy this one. I'm just gonna press play here. I'm gonna turn it on with the switch on the side. Wait 5 seconds for that light to tell me that it's ready, and we're just gonna listen to a few seconds of this. So we'll see if I did this right here. There we go. And I'm gonna turn the volume up with this button.
Barber by Joe Frank.
There we go.
As you listen to this book, you will hear this sound.
Hear the scissors?
When
Snip,
it's time
snip.
to turn the page. Now turn the page and let's start reading.
These are very cute.
Arthur Garber, the Harbor Barber. Joe Frank. In a seaside town on a cozy little bay, ships of all kinds often dock for the day.
Okay, you get the idea. So I'm gonna turn this off now.
Tourists and fishers.
All right. And I'm going to show you a few others and then tell you a really good tip for how to locate them in our catalog, a really good way to find them so you can place them on hold and get a hold of them. So this is one of my favorites. This is called Sheepdog and Sheep. This is an adorable story about an innocent little sheep who does not realize that he's always getting into trouble. He just thinks everything's fine, but his sheepdog is just scrambling to protect him as he almost gets into these terrible scrapes, and it's really, really adorable. I love that one. This one is actually based on a poem by William Blake called The Tiger, the one that starts Tiger, Tiger, burning bright. But this is called Fear the Bunny, and it goes Bunny, Bunny, burning bright. So it's really, really cute. Very, very cute pictures in this one. Look at that, adorable. This one, slightly more serious tone. This is a sweet story of friendship called Sadie and the Silver Shoes. It's all about friendship and the things we value, the things we place value on. Very nice little story there. So a great way to find these in our catalog, you can type things like read along or Vox Books, and that'll pull up many of them. But I found that if you type in Library Ideas LLC, which is the name of the publisher, it pulls up all of them, 168 of them to choose from. So that's my little tip for you. Try to search for Library Ideas LLC, and you can access our catalog online through any of the local library websites. They all access the same catalog. So go ahead and put these on hold. We have a curbside service going, so we'll put your holds out at the curbside for you when they're ready to be picked up, and check these out. Thanks a lot.